is that we don't have any control. We're just using whatever length that is going to be the height. To change that, this is where we can take any set of numbers and change them to be a smaller set, basically scaling them down, but using math or using the components here. So how do we do that? We'll take the length, we'll remap the numbers, then we need two more components, bounds. This gives you the largest and smallest number, and target is going to be the minimum and maximum number. So let's go here to construct domain. Let's start and end. Let's go